Good evening. Welcome to BizWorld. The latest trade and investment mission to France has successfully generated a total potential investment of 2.6 billion ringgit and 300 million ringgit worth of potential exports. According to the International Trade and Industry Ministry, this validates the success of Malaysia's continuous efforts in attracting quality investment and in enhancing participation of local companies in high-value global supply chain. The mission to France, which took place from October 15th to 17th this year, was led by MITI and Senior Minister Datuk Sri Muhammad Azmin Ali. MITI said in a statement, the strong interest shown by French companies garnered during the mission serves as a major catalyst in expanding the bilateral trade and investment relations, most notably in areas that support the sustainable and green agenda advocated by both nations. During these sessions, the French enterprises showed great interest to continue making Malaysia their business partner in the aerospace, biotechnology, advanced chemical, medical devices, halal products, and the construction sectors. Foreign investors turned net buyers last week with a net inflow of 924.7 million ringgit, with an average participation of 18.4%. In its weekly fund flow report, MIDF Research said this was the second week of net buying by foreign investors, after 1 week of inflow previously. As the market reopened last Monday, local institutions were net sellers, amounting to 154.7 million ringgit. Meanwhile, retailers and foreign investors were net buyers to the tune of 23.3 million ringgit and 131.4 million ringgit respectively. The largest foreign inflow was recorded on Friday, with the smallest inflow on Thursday. Cumulatively, since the beginning of 2021, retailers have been the only net buyers to the tune of 10.3 billion ringgit. Entrepreneur Development and Cooperatives Ministry MEDAC aims to assist 120 new vendors via its Vendor Development Program PPV, with the help of 6 new anchor companies. Its Minister Tan Sri Noor Omar said this anchor and vendor concept is a cooperation between local business entities to assist smaller companies.
Jadi kita harap dengan adanya program ini akan memberikan peluang kepada vendor-vendor akan dapat bimbingan daripada anchor.
The 6 new anchors are Percetakan Nasional Malaysia, Kumpulan Media Karang Kraft, Aerodyne Group, Sime Darby, UEM Sunrise, and Cement Industries of Malaysia. To date, a total of 24 anchor companies comprising government-linked companies and large local companies had participated in the program since its introduction in 2016. It is also understood that around 1,200 Bumiputra vendor companies have also registered to receive the incentives provided under the program. Petronas is allocating an average 20 billion ringgit for capital expenditure or CAPEX annually in upstream activities between 2022 and 2027. Speaking to Bernama, its Executive Vice President and CEO Upstream, Adif Zulkifli, said the CAPEX allocation is at a healthy level to grow slightly its production in the next 5 years. He said Petronas expected to generate a healthy cash flow from the production, mainly from the gas and projects in the pipeline domestically. He further noted that Petronas is ramping up projects in Canada and Argentina, and around 40% of the CAPEX would be spent for international upstream activities. The national oil company also is looking to spend between 16 billion ringgit and 17 billion ringgit for upstream activities this year. And that's all the time we have for BizWorld today. I'm Raymond Goh. Thank you for investing your time with us and stay tuned to TV3.